Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek.
And I'm Solanda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We Be Trippin.
Today is day 16 of 53. And today, let me tell you something. It was a hard day because with the time going, moving forward, keep losing an hour every other day. Today was a problem. We basically stayed in the room all day.
When we left the cabin, I think it was 7 o'clock.
Yeah, 7 o'clock at night. We ended up ordering room service. Once we woke up, I can't say this morning, this afternoon we woke up, ordered room service and stayed in the room until it was dinner time. Now, and that reminds me of something. When you are taking a transatlantic cruise like this, or any type of cruise where you're changing time zones, it's best to it's best to not over plan, because it can confuse your body. Your body has to get acclimated to the time change. You see? Now, and let me say this. It wasn't just us, because when I went downstairs, when I first woke up, the guy that cleans the room, he was like telling me, like, I keep waiting and nobody come out. So he was saying that pretty much everybody was staying in, that nobody was leaving so that he could clean the room. So, I mean, hey, it is what it is. Now, for room service, I had a bacon cheeseburger with curly fries, and my burger was not good, but the fries were curly.
I had wings and fries. My fries was cold. My wings wasn't good.
So, I would hate to have to rank. I'd rather not rank my burger today because it was not good. It was not good.
Let's move on.
Yeah, no, it was bad. I think my plate was bad too. I don't know what was going on, but that wasn't good. And then for dinner, what did you have for dinner? We had
escargot.
We had escargot for appetizer, and I had a steak for dinner. And my steak was good. Steak was good with I had a squash with it and broccoli. So it was really good, and I think I give it about 8. What did you have?
Well, I had lobster and rice. It was supposed to come with clams, mussels, shrimp, but I didn't get what. I don't know. I don't know if they ran out the seafood. I did get a piece of a lobster.
Yeah,
but and I didn't eat it because the rice was mushy.
Yeah.
But my dessert was good. I had cheesecake.
Yeah, and I had some type of chocolate cake, and my cake was good. And that's really been surprising on this particular cruise, because normally the dessert is not good. But we've had 3 desserts. So we had a brownie one day with ice cream. We had a cheesecake the other day, and today that was really good. Today is St. Patrick's Day, so we have I guess we have a few Irish people on board, but you have a lot of people that are dressed, in green and stuff like that for the holiday. So
I didn't even know until we left the cabin and I see these people in green. I didn't know today was St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, and the strangest thing that we saw today, they had the
K9s out.
The K9 were, security was going somewhere to the rooms. So, that means that possibly there's a report of marijuana, or something. But, and you know what? I wonder if it was like a play on St. Patrick's Day. Like the green, somebody like got carried away with the green and, maybe,
I don't know.
I'm just saying.
We'll find out though.
Yeah.
Because it'll be in a cruise group.
Oh yeah, they talk. All the information. They may not tell you, officially what's going on, but the cruise groups, yeah, they know exactly what's going on. So, pretty much that's pretty much it for today, because we also we're going up another hour tonight. So And I think we may be at this time, we're in Central, coming from Central Standard Time. I think we may be about 5 hours ahead, 4 or 5 hours ahead of that right now.
I think before.
4 hours ahead of it? Okay. So, yeah.
Tonight to give us 5. I think we stop at 6.
Okay. Well, maybe so. Anyway, and that's about, so what would you rank today, since it was a basically, and here's the thing about being on vacation. If you choose to do nothing, you're on vacation. You can do whatever you want to do, because there's no written rule to what you have to do. So if you want to relax all day, every day, and stay in your room, then you can do that. You're on vacation if that's how you choose to enjoy it. So,
I rank it a 10. I don't have to cook. I don't have to clean.
Still
and I
a
don't
10?
cook anyway, but I don't have to worry about
Do
what
you
we're
clean?
eating. Not really.
Man. So you be cruising at home? No ship. What a pity. It's not on you. It's whatever man you married to. He the sad one. Anyway,
but you're full, and you definitely don't live in filth. So
yeah. So, let me see.
you ain't missing no meals.
Yeah.
None.
Hey. Let me see. You made me forget what I wanted to say. Anyway, so what you say? You still give today a 10?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Why?
Well,
You relax
I guess
all day.
you relax. You know what I'm saying? I mean, hey,
Who could stay in bed all day?
I think the room service and stuff took away from it.
But it's still, I mean.
And you know what would make it better? If we were able to, I think they have, like, sometimes they have on-demand channels on some of the ships. If they had on-demand on here, I think it would be a lot better, because you can control the movies that you watch when you want to watch them. I think that's something that's missing on this particular cruise,
Right.
So, anything else? Well, that's it. And until next time,
Keep tripping.